In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currencies on PayPal. If you have money in one currency and you want to change it into another inside your PayPal account, the process is very simple. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open PayPal and go to your wallet. Once you're there, select your PayPal balance. This is the section where you can view the currencies currently available in your account. If you hold more than one currency, you'll be able to see each one listed separately, which makes it easy to choose the balance you want to work with. Next, find the currency you want to convert. On that currency line, click the three dots to open more options. This menu gives you access to actions related to that specific balance, so make sure you're selecting the correct currency before moving on. From the menu, choose Convert Currency. This will open the conversion screen where PayPal lets you switch your funds from one currency to another directly within your account. It's a useful feature if you're preparing to send money, make a purchase in another currency, or simply organize your balance the way you prefer. Now, select the currency you want to convert your money into. Take a moment here to double-check the target currency so you don't accidentally convert it into the wrong one. Since exchange rates can vary, it's always a good idea to review what you're choosing before continuing. After that, enter the total amount you want to convert, then click Next. If you don't want to convert your entire balance, you can simply type in the specific amount you need. This gives you flexibility, especially if you want to keep some funds in the original currency. On the next screen, review the details carefully, including the amount you're converting and the currency you're converting into. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. Once you do that, PayPal will complete the conversion and your updated balance should reflect the new currency. And that's it. That's how to convert currencies on PayPal. It only takes a few moments, and once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. If you're following along, just move slowly. Check each selection before confirming, and you should be all set.